Hi friends, so today I'm here at Palm Jumeirah at a property which has got Dubai skyline view. So you can see this is the property and it has got Dubai Marina skyline and JBR skyline view. So this property is called as Seven Tides and it has got direct sea access. Let me show you the model first. It is based at Palm Jumeirah. So this is the model. It's divided into two parts. One part is the hotel part, one part is the residences part. You can see on the top there is a thin line that is actually infinity pool. So you can see it is connecting this infinity pool from hotel towards the residences, and it is one of the biggest infinity pool in the region. So let me show you once again how it would look like when it is actually getting delivered. It is really great because the apartment which they are providing is fully furnished. So you can see the entrance, you can see the reception area. I'll show you the actual construction of the building as well, so stay tuned with me and see from actual perspective what the building has been up to till now. So you can see this is the residences as well as hotel part, and it has got one bed, studio, two bed as well as penthouses. So let me take you to the construction site first. So this is the construction and it is an actual building. Of course, I'm at one side of the building at the moment. It consists of all these floors which is almost ready. I can show you the actual view. So this is the skyline view you can see from there. And by the way, this particular property is very ideally located in Palm Jumeirah. Yes, it is near Nakheel Mall. You can see work in progress. Yeah, this is Nakheel Mall. So the building is situated right next to Nakheel Mall. So if you are looking forward to invest or something, you can definitely consider this part. So this is the front view, which is from the sea view. So these all apartments will have direct sea view. Of course, you can see the infinity pool is not yet built. It is under construction. This is the right time if you would like to book your unit. And this is the apartment actually. It is a show apartment. But being a show apartment, it will have all the white goods, it will have all the furnitures as it is in the apartment. Of course, the movable goods which you can see in the kitchen will not be there. So this is the one bed apartment which I'm going to show you now, and this particular property is 712 square feet. You can see the powder room over here. It is just a sample, but the layout or availability might change when you are actually booking the apartment. But yes, all the movable goods like furniture and everything will be there when you buy the unit. You can see how spacious it is. At Palm Jumeirah, it is an amazing quality, I would say, amazing location. If you are looking forward to just invest a small amount of money and get a good returns, this is the project. This is the project you should definitely consider on. And it is a freehold property. So if you are taking a freehold property, it's all yours. And there is no tax on this property. There is no property tax. Only you pay DLD charges. That means Dubai Land Department charges. You can see the finishings of the washroom. The unit is decent in size and very good quality. Plus it comes with furniture. So if you're buying the unit for yourself, you can move in with a piece of luggage, or if you're looking forward to rent out, it is easy piece of cake, I would say. It has got a balcony as well. Let me move outside to the balcony. You can see balcony is huge. Yes, 4 chairs already I can see over here. So these are the layouts of 1 bedroom and studio apartments. So these are the layouts. So let me know if you have any queries for the property. If you have any questions regarding this, feel free to call me. I'd help you to book the unit. I'll answer your questions about the location, about the property, anything. Thank you.